The MA-35 from MedifyAir is a wall-mountable, medical-grade air purifier. It is a perfect solution for home, office, classrooms, small businesses, and more. It uses a 4-stage filtration system with a pre-filter, HEPA H13 filter, active carbon filter, and ionization. When you open the box, you will find a remote control, a bag of mounting hardware, the wall bracket to be secured to the wall, and of course the unit itself. This model is sleek and quiet. It can clean a 1,200 square foot area in an hour. Let's go install one in the office. First, you will place the bracket on the wall and level it to mark the holes. Next, drill 4 holes. Insert the plastic anchors into the holes and hammer them into place. Now, place the mounting bracket so that the holes all line up and screw the bracket to the wall. On the back of the MA-35 unit, tighten the 3 screws for a snug fit into the bracket. Now line the air purifier up with the 3 notches and slide it down until it is securely seated. The front panel can be removed to access the HEPA filter when it is time to replace it. Also be sure to unwrap the filter before plugging the unit in for the first time. The panel on the side is a touchscreen to control the air purifier and to see the status of the room and the features of the unit. You can also use the supplied remote control to adjust the features like fan speed, timer, sleep mode, and the auto setting. Call 888-455-2800 or click the link below to purchase your air purifier today.